So I'm going to show you how to set up Touch ID on your MacBook Neo. Now, if you have the 512 gig or higher MacBook Neo, it's going to have the Touch ID, which is this button here. You can see that little circle. That's the Touch ID. So to set it up, in case you haven't already, you want to go to the top left corner and click on the Apple logo and select System Settings. Under System Settings, scroll down on the left-hand side panel, basically using 2 fingers to scroll, and then you should see Touch ID and password. Click on that, and then you can see we've already set a password, but we have not set up Touch ID. So to set it up, click on Add Fingerprint, and then it's going to ask for your password. Enter the password, and once you enter your password, now you need to place your finger on the Touch ID. So I'm going to use this index finger, so I'm going to place it there, pick it up, and then place it again. And you want to keep changing the angle. So you place your finger there multiple times. Just keep twisting and turning like this. You want as much of your finger registered as possible. And then once Touch ID is ready, you can click on Done and you're good to go. Now, if you want to, you can add another fingerprint, okay? Or maybe if you're sharing this laptop with someone, they could also add their fingerprint to be able to use this laptop, okay? So from now on, anytime you need to use the Touch ID, for instance, when you've locked your Mac, let's go ahead and lock. So instead of using your password, you can simply place your finger and that's going to unlock your MacBook. Thanks for watching and good luck.